Good evening. I've been waiting for someone to come over. Thank you for coming.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. Have you dined with us before?
No, this is my first time. And I've heard a lot about the place from my friends.
That's wonderful to hear. We take pride in our food and service, so I hope you enjoy.
The menu looks interesting. Could you recommend something popular to start with?
Absolutely. Our garlic butter shrimp and roasted tomato soup are both guest favorites.
The garlic butter shrimp sounds tempting. I think I'll go with that for the starter.
Excellent choice. It's served with fresh bread and a little side of lemon for flavor.
For drinks, I'm not sure. Do you have any fresh juices or mocktails?
Yes, we have fresh orange, watermelon, and a house-made mint lemonade mocktail.
The mint lemonade mocktail sounds refreshing. I'll take that, please.
Great. I'll put that in right away so you can enjoy it while deciding the main course.
The mains look a bit overwhelming. Can you tell me your top 3 recommendations?
Sure, our grilled salmon with herb butter, the creamy mushroom pasta, and slow-cooked lamb shank are very popular.
I'm leaning toward the creamy mushroom pasta. But is it very heavy?
It's rich, but we use light cream and fresh mushrooms, so it's flavorful without being too heavy.
That sounds perfect. I think I'll go with the creamy mushroom pasta then.
Very well. Would you like to add any chicken or prawns to the pasta for extra protein?
Yes, adding prawns would be nice. I think that will make it even better.
Excellent choice. The prawns blend very well with the creamy mushroom sauce.
Do you serve the pasta with bread on the side, or should I order separately?
It comes with a small serving of garlic bread, but you can always request extra.
I'll stick with the regular serving. I don't want to get too full before dessert.
Speaking of dessert, would you like me to tell you about our bestsellers now or after your meal?
Let's do it now, so I can plan my stomach space wisely.
In that case, our molten chocolate cake, lemon tart, and vanilla panna cotta are most loved.
Oh, molten chocolate cake is my weakness. I might have to go for that.
A wise choice, ma'am. It's warm, gooey, and served with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
I think I'll order it now so I don't change my mind later.
Certainly, I'll make sure it's ready right after your main course.
Thank you for being so patient while I make decisions.
Not a problem at all. We're here to make sure you enjoy every moment.
By the way, how long will the pasta take to arrive?
Usually around 15 minutes, since everything is cooked fresh.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry. I'm here to enjoy the evening.
Perfect. I'll make sure the pacing of your courses is just right.
Could you also bring me a glass of water along with the mocktail?
Of course, I'll bring chilled water with lemon slices if that's all right.
That sounds lovely. I appreciate the extra touch.
You're welcome, ma'am. I'll be back shortly with your drinks.
Thank you. I'll look over the menu again just for curiosity's sake.
Take your time, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer.
Do you also serve vegetarian dishes that are not too spicy?
Yes, our grilled vegetable risotto and spinach ricotta ravioli are both mild and flavorful.
Those sound nice. Maybe next time I'll try them.
Absolutely, we'd be happy to welcome you back for those.
This place has a very cozy and calm atmosphere. I like it.
Thank you. We try to keep the ambiance relaxing for our guests.
I see some plants near the windows. They add a nice fresh vibe.
Yes, we believe greenery makes the dining experience more pleasant.
Oh, here comes my drink. It looks amazing.
Here's your mint lemonade mocktail and a glass of chilled water with lemon slices.
The presentation is lovely, and it smells fresh.
I'm glad you like it. Please let me know if it's to your taste.
It's perfect. Not too sweet and very refreshing.
That's great to hear. I'll let the bar team know you enjoyed it.
I think drinks like this are perfect for warm evenings.
Indeed, and they pair well with seafood dishes like your shrimp starter.
Speaking of which, how soon will the shrimp arrive?
It should be out in just a few minutes. The chef is plating it now.
Wonderful. I'm getting hungry already.
I'll make sure you don't have to wait too long.
Do you get a lot of customers on weekdays?
Yes, we have a steady crowd, though weekends are much busier.
I can imagine, especially if the food is as good as everyone says.
We do our best to keep up the reputation every single day.
Oh, here's the shrimp. It looks delicious.
Yes, freshly cooked with garlic butter and served with bread as promised.
The aroma is mouth-watering. I can't wait to taste it.
Please enjoy, and I'll check back in a few minutes to see how it is.
The shrimp is perfectly cooked. Not chewy at all.
I'm glad. Our chef takes great care with seafood timing.
The bread is also warm and soft. It's a great pairing.
Yes, it's baked fresh every morning in our own kitchen.
I might have to take some bread home later. It's that good.
We can certainly pack some for you if you'd like.
Thank you. I'll decide after dessert.
Noted. I'll make a mental reminder for later.
The shrimp portion is generous. I'm already feeling satisfied.
That's good, but I promise the pasta will still make room in your appetite.
I believe you. Everything so far has been wonderful.
Thank you. We appreciate such kind feedback from our guests.
Do you also host special events or live music here?
Yes, on Friday evenings, we have acoustic performances by local artists.
That sounds lovely. I might plan a visit then.
You should. It's a warm and lively atmosphere without being too loud.
Oh, I think my pasta is arriving now.
Yes, here it is. Creamy mushroom pasta with prawns, garnished with herbs.
It looks gorgeous. The sauce is glistening beautifully.
Please enjoy it while it's hot. That's when the flavors shine most.
The prawns are juicy, and the sauce is so flavorful.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, ma'am. It's one of my personal favorites, too.
I might need a little extra napkin. The sauce is too good to waste.
Certainly, I'll bring you some fresh napkins right away.
Thank you. You've been very attentive this evening.
It's my pleasure. Making guests happy is what I'm here for.
I think after this, I'll be ready for that molten chocolate cake.
Excellent. I'll have it warmed and served with vanilla ice cream shortly.
I'm really glad I chose this restaurant for tonight's dinner.
And we're very glad you did, ma'am. Enjoy the rest of your evening.